So what was your favorite part of the week, Liam?
Eating worms.
Eating worms. Were they tasty?
They tasted like a little hot doggy and earthy.
Hot doggy and earthy. Those are good descriptions.
Been walking since I knew how, but didn't know what for. I lost track of the steps I took, but I keep taking more. 'Cause somewhere over this mountain, I'm gonna find a place to land. When I've walked through this valley, I'm gonna hold up both my hands. And while I'm standing on a rock that won't let me fall, I'll say, oh my, look at it all.
What I like best about being in the woods is the animals, and my favorite animals are like toads and frogs. I love looking for tree frogs.
They say it's just a dream, but I'm not listening, 'cause I still believe somewhere over this mountain, I'm gonna find a place to land. When I've walked through this valley, I'm gonna hold up both my hands. And while I'm standing on a rock that won't let me fall, I say, oh my, look at it all.
Go ahead.
I've been taking steps for years now, and my feet are tired, and somehow I need to rest my mind. But something's waiting for me, standing on the shore of a world that I can't seem to find. Somewhere over this mountain, somewhere over this mountain, somewhere over this mountain, I'm gonna find a place to land. When I've walked through this valley, I'm gonna hold up both my hands. And while I'm standing on a rock that won't let me fall, I'll say, oh my, look at it all.
So Pete, did you have fun this week?
I had a great time this week.
What was your favorite part?
The turtle and the toad.
All right. Are you a nature freak?
I am a nature freak!
Woo!
Somewhere over this mountain, gonna find a place to land. Well, I love the first part of the last part of the day, when things begin to close. 'Cause I know there's one place that's open all night long, and I love you the most. I love sleeping in pillows, pajamas, and bathrobes, and fans spinning on the ceiling. I love scrambled eggs and pancakes, brown sugar on my toast, but I love you the most. Well, I can't stand being so far away from you. So I guess there's one thing I need to do. I need to find a way for you and I to always be close, 'cause I love you the most. I love sunny days with lots of rain and puddles for paper boats, and watching the March wind take my kite up to the blue. I love open roads and city streets and highways down the coast, but I love you the most. Well, I can't stand being so far away from you. So I guess there's one thing that I need to do. I need to find a way for you and I to always be close, 'cause I love you the most. Meeting up with old friends and talking about the old days. I love staying home, the lights down low, making stories of our own, 'cause I love.
That's a good question. What does it eat?
Fish.
Fish and crayfish, mainly. It really likes frogs. It doesn't eat other snakes. These have live babies. Water snakes have live young. Some of them have, some snakes lay eggs.
Well, the world never stands too still. It seems like every day we're spinning somewhere else, and the sun never lights up your face the same way twice, as far as I can tell. So with each new day, what will we decide? We can't stay where we were. Love is growing or it's dying. So I love you more and more, I guess, 'cause I don't wanna love you less. And you can stand by the constant ocean, but if you watch real close, it's either coming or it's going. Even if you could reach all around it, you would find that you could never hold it. So with each new day, what will we decide? We can't stay where we were. Love is growing or it's dying. So I love you more and more, I guess.
What kind of tree is that?
That is a good question. This here is something called a Virginia pine. And one of the key ID features of this is if you take a look at the tree, see how all the pine cones are still on it? This tree will hold those pine cones for a long time. Another key feature is it's got 2 needles per bundle, and they're about 1.5 to 2 inches. They're a little twisted. It's also called a scrub pine because it kind of looks dirty.
So with each new day, what will we decide? We can't stay where we were. Love is growing or it's dying. So I love you more and more, I guess, 'cause I don't wanna love you less. I don't wanna love you less.
Bend the blade 90-degree angle so it slices out. You're gonna turn it, pull it in. Turn it, slice out, turn it, pull in. Turn it, slice out, pull, do the other side.
I don't know who I should vote for, 'cause of only seeing them talking on TV. But I've never met their mothers, never had the chance to tell them what I think. I don't know which one is better. Each one says the other wouldn't serve us well. So I'm filling out my ticket, writing in a new name, voting for myself. Well, I wanna be the president. I wanna be my own president. That's what I've gotta be. So I'm gonna be the president of the United States of me. I wish I knew them when they were still in school and not so great at looking good. Now they're polished on the outside, hiding what they think by saying what they should.